Hey guys, what's up? Today we're replacing this blower assembly. I had to repair this about a month or two ago. Had worn out the bearing, so we got our replacement blower assembly, and I got the old one out here. Got a little problem. I have a fitment issue. I can show you. Between my pipes here. Let's just call it 21 comfortable. That's not going to fit. Not even the blower itself. We're about the same on height. That's not going to fit. The only way we can go is through here, and this barely fits. I had roughly 26 inches. We can squeeze it a little better over here. Yep. So we're going to have to pass over the ductwork and over this unit to get over there. Alright, so obviously I'm not concerned about this old one. We can always hack this thing up into pieces and cart it out. No sense lifting twice. The new one, for sure, could have some room going through here, but either way, we got to go overhead. It's going to be a fun one. Alright, so this was kind of a mess. I don't know if you can see it in there, but that hub is just cracked, so this thing went for a ride. It's been going bad for a while, so I've got a new housing, blower wheel, shaft, bearings. It's a little different style. It's going to be a forward curve instead of this. So kind of working with what we got. They're still trying to get this thing. It was factory back ordered. Lead time was like 3 months out still, but it couldn't last any longer. So we're gonna try and make this other style work. Hopefully we'll do it. So what I've got to do is transfer this frame to the new blower housing, both sides. Unfortunately, the new one's got spider brackets, so I'll find out when we get it on there. I do have another pillar block, possibly could make it use that too, so but all we gotta do is get it in here. Alright, got those frames off. This is where we're going back in. What I've been doing temporarily, we have a outside air coil, has its own blower, so I've been utilizing this and just to push air back through the ductwork. And up inside the supply duct, up there, I've installed a big floor blower, so we've got air movement circulating through there. So the space does have some air conditioning. Just kind of temporary rig. We're going to make this a little better. Alright, so here's our new housing. It's just so close, but the plan is we're going to go up and over that. That's going to be the easiest one. Just pull the shaft out. Alright, got this side secured on. That was no problem. Nothing was broken, but a small problem here. So I'm going to come back to the shop, grab the welder, fix that. Not bad for a scab. Not too bad. I'll put those welds up against these other ones, but I'm not a welder. Just own one. Oh yeah, I play one on TV, I guess. YouTube. Something's wrong because it looks like it fits. I think we're gonna have a good shot. Pulley lining up. I got a new pulley for it. All right. Everything is back in place. We had a fitment issue with belts. I'm trying to use a little bit larger driven pulley. Honestly thought the other one was ramping up too much, and so I'm trying this. So the belts I had gotten didn't work, so I was scrambling. Found one belt. We're just going to test it out here and see what happens. I have not turned this on yet. You guys are going to see it for the first time. Yeehaw! I think I adjust that belt. Alright, let's try that again. I ended up installing an additional pillow block. Had to shim it up because I get a little too much movement out of this. Like I said, it's temporary repair. This is what we've got available at hand. I was expecting it to last longer until we got the factory replacement. Here we go. That's it. We're going to put the cover on this and come back later date. We're going to get some new belts and put dual belts on there. But this will get them out of trouble right now and get some airflow back in the building. This affects the cafeteria, so it's kind of important. Anyways, thanks for watching. Joe thanks you too. See you in the next video. Oh yeah, I got to remove my blower from the duct now that we got something working.